Hello students, let us continue this session on linear equation in one variable. We had solved 84 questions. Now the 85th question, the sum of three consecutive odd natural numbers is 69. Find the prime number out of these numbers. Before we solve this, suppose if I consider 5 to be one of the odd natural number, the next odd number is 7. The next odd number is 9. How do I get these next odd numbers? I get the second odd number by adding 2. I get the next odd number by adding 2 to 7. Hence the next will be 9 plus 2, which is 11. So if I consider x to be the first odd natural number, the next odd number I'll be getting by adding 2. Next to that will be adding 2 to the previous one. So let me consider the three consecutive odd natural numbers as x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. So according to the question, their sum is 69. So x added to x plus 2 added to x plus 4, the sum is 69. This particular equation is to be solved. Solving part I will leave it to you. After solving, you must get x value as 21. Therefore, the three consecutive odd numbers are 21, 23 and 25. Out of these, 23 is the prime number. Hence, the required prime number is 23. This is how it has to be solved. Question number 86. The sum of three consecutive numbers is 156. Find the number which is a multiple of 13 out of these numbers. In the earlier case, the three consecutive numbers were the odd numbers. Here they are just three consecutive numbers. Suppose if I take x to be one of the number, the next consecutive is x plus 1, next to that is x plus 2. These are the three consecutive numbers which are to be added up and their sum is 156. You need to solve and find the value of x. Once you solve, you'll come to know that 51 is the value of x. The three consecutive numbers are 51, 52 and 53. Observe these three numbers. 51 is not a multiple of 13, 52 is a multiple of 13, 53 is not a multiple of 13, therefore 52 is the only number which is multiple of 13. This is how you require to solve. Question number 87. Find a number whose fifth part increased by 30 is equal to its fourth part decreased by 30. Suppose if I consider x to be the number, fifth part is x by 5. This has to be increased by 30. Fourth part decreased by 30. They are equal. So is equated to the fourth part minus 30. Now this is the equation we require to simplify. So x by 5 negative x by 4 equal to negative 30 minus 30. I have transposed x by 4 to the left hand side, positive 30 to the right hand side. To simplify, we require LCM, and the LCM is 20. So 4x minus 5x upon 20 is equal to negative 60. Hence we get negative x by 20 equal to negative 60. Therefore the value of x is positive 1200. Hence the required number is 1200. Question 88, pretty easy. Divide 54 into two parts such that one part is 2 by 7 of the other. If I consider the one of the part to be x, the another part is 2 by 7 times the x, and both the parts when added should give 54 because 54 is divided into these two parts. This is the equation we require to simplify. I'll leave it for you to solve, and you get the value of x as 42. This is one part, and another part is 2 by 7 times 42, which is 12, because 7 6 times is 42. So 12 and 42, these are the two parts. On adding, we get 54. Question number 89. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 11. The given number is less than the number obtained by interchanging the digits by 9. Find the number. Here, if I consider the digit at units place be x, then the digit at tens place will be 11 minus x. The reason is sum of the digits is 11. Therefore, the number will be 10 times the tens place digit, which is 11 minus x plus the units place digit. On further simplification, we get it as 110 minus 10x plus x. Further it becomes 110 minus 9x. This is the given number. The number obtained by interchanging the digits will be number obtained by interchanging digits. In the place of tens, we have to consider x. In the place of ones, we need to consider 11 minus x. So further simplification, we get it as 9x plus 11. As per the given question, the number after interchanging, which is 9x plus 11, minus the actual number, which is 110 minus 9x, their difference is 9, because the given number is less than the number obtained by interchanging the digits by 9. This is the equation we require to simplify. So 9x plus 11 minus 110 plus 9x is equal to 9. 9x plus 9x is 18x, which is equal to, this 110 after transposing becomes positive, so it becomes 119 when added with 9, minus 11 gives 108. Therefore, the value of x is 6. Now we got units place, units digit is 6. Same time you can find the tens digit. The tens digit will be 11 minus 6, which is 5. Therefore, the number is 56. After interchanging, it becomes 65, and their difference will be 9. This is how we require to solve. And this question is one of the very important question. You will come across this type of question even in class 9th. Question number 90. Two equal sides of a triangle are 4 meters less than 3 times the third side. Find the dimensions of the triangle if its perimeter is 55 meters. Here, the triangle mentioned is an isosceles triangle. Suppose if I consider this to be the triangle wherein these two sides are equal, this is the third side. If I consider the third side to be x, then these two equal sides will be 4 meters less than 3 times the third side. So 3 times the third side is 3x. 4 less means we need to subtract 4. So equal sides are 3x minus 4. They have given that the perimeter is 55 meters. Perimeter is nothing but sum of the sides. Here the equal sides are 3x minus 4. These are 2 in number, so 2 times plus the third side, which is 55. This is the equation we require to simplify. I'll leave it for you to solve. You must get the value of x as 9. If the value of x is 9, we can find the other two sides. 3 times of x minus 4 will become 3 times 9 minus 4, which is 27 minus 4, which will be 23. Therefore, the dimensions are 9 meter, 23 meter and 23 meter. Question number 91. After 12 years, Kanwar shall be 3 times as old as he was 4 years ago. Find his present age. Let me consider Kanwar's present age. The y years. So after 12 years, Kanwar's age will be x plus 12 years, and 4 years ago, Kanwar's age is x minus 4 years. according to the given condition, his age after 12 years will be equal to 3 times his age 4 years ago. This is the final equation we require to simplify. This will be x plus 12 is equal to 3x minus 12. Therefore, when you transpose x to this side, we get 3x minus x. 12 transposed to the other side, we get 12 plus 12. Therefore, 2x is equal to 24 and the value of x is 12. So, Kanwar is 12-year-old. Question number 92. Amina left 1/2 of her property to her daughter, 1/3 to her son, and donated the rest to an educational institute. If the donation was worth rupees 1 lakh, how much money did Amina have? Let the amount with the Amina, we take it as x. So the property left for her daughter will be x by 2. Now the remaining property is x minus x by 2, which is nothing but x by 2. So the property left for her son is 1/3. So 1/3 of x by 2, which is x by 6. So the remaining property is x minus the sum given to both their children. So let's solve this step by step. Let Anima made a mistake while telling the name. It's Anima. Let Anima's property be x. Property left for her daughter will be x by 2. Now the remaining property will be x minus x by 2. This is 1, this is half. 1 minus half is half. So x by 2 we get. In this, she has given 1/3 to her son. So property left for her son is 1/3 of the remaining, which is x by 2, which is x by 6. Now the remaining property will be earlier she was having x, now she has given x by 2 to her daughter and x by 6 to son. This we require to simplify. LCM here is 6. If 6 is the LCM, this will be 6x minus 3x plus x. We get it as, this will be negative, sorry, this is minus, right? Minus of, so this will be negative. So 6x minus 4x is 2x upon 6. We get it as x by 3. Therefore, donation to educational institution is the remaining amount, which is equal to 1 lakh. Therefore, the value of x becomes, on cross multiplication, we get it as 3 lakh. So she was having 3 lakh rupees and she has given half of that 3 lakh, which is 1.5 lakh, to her daughter, and 50,000 to her son, and the remaining 1 lakh she has given as a donation to the educational institute. I'll be giving few questions for you to attempt. I'll be telling how to solve also. Question 93. If 1 by 2 is subtracted from a number and difference is multiplied by 4, the result is 4. This is pretty simple. You can try this out. If x is the number, if 1 by 2 is subtracted, it becomes x minus 1 by 2. The difference is multiplied by 4. The result is 5. This is the equation. You write the statement and then write the equation and find the value of x. Question 94. This is also one of the easy question. We had solved a question related to consecutive numbers. Same is the case here for consecutive integers. If x is one of the integer, the next integer is x plus 1. Next to that is x plus 2. Next to that is x plus 3. These are the 4 consecutive integers. Their sum is 266. Add them up. You find the value of x. This is one of the questions which is slightly harder than previous type of questions. You can try this. I'll be giving you the answer. You can cross check the answer. The answer is 14.5 kg. This is a real challenge for you. You need to write the equation and simplify it and get the answer as 14.5 kg. With this question, I'll end today's session. Thank you.